Assalomu alaykum, rahmatulloh, hammaga salomatmisizlar? Men yaxshi o'tyapman, ho'p, inshaalloh mana bugun va'da berganimizdek o'sha mini challenjni boshlaveramiz. Kun davomida o'zim praktika qilgan listening readinglarni, o'sha passajlarni, sectionlarni tam sizlarga video tarzida qo'yib boraman. Inshaalloh har kuni bir kun reading, bir kun listening bo'ladi va har xil sectionlar, har xil passajlar bo'ladi. Inshaalloh foydali bo'ladi degan umiddaman. O'zingizlar ko'rsanglar bo'ladi, qanaqa qilinyapti, qanaqa analiz qilinyapti va qanaqa bir-biridan ajratilyapti, to'g'ri javob topilayotganligini. Videolar har doimgidek foydali, manfaatli deb bilsanglar, yaqin o'rtoqlar bilan ham ulashib qo'yishinglarni, kanallar rivoji uchun hissa qo'shishinglarni xursand bo'lardim. So as you can see, guys, so we're gonna do in the passage one, Pixar story haqida ketyapti. Вот, yana o'sha Disneyland shunga o'xshagan animation studioni anaqasi kompaniyasi. And we've got true, false, not given type of questions and the fill in the gaps, ya'ni so'zdan to'ldirish va true, false, not given. Ya'ni bu safar osonrog'idan boshlayotganmiz. Ho'p, birinchi savolni ko'rayotgan bo'lsangiz, so Robert Eger expressed personal criticism of Michael D. Eisner. Ya'ni personal kritikasi haqida express qilayotganligini aytamiz. Robert Eger kimga nisbatan? Michael D. Eisnerga nisbatan. Between 2002 former CEO Michael G. Eisner, the Walt Disney Company, the shareholder meeting, a series of gold medal miners. Suspected that this had been discarded attended by the company when the rest of the shareholders interest. However, there was no need for such measures. In October 2005, Robert Eger had replaced it. Okay, mana bitta. Birinchi anaqamizni ko'rayotgansiz javob layoutini bittadan boshlab. In October 2005, Chief Operating Officer Robert Eger had replaced Eisner as CEO. Ko'rayotgansiz bu Robert Eger nimaga Michael D. Eisnerga qilingan anaqasi jesiyasini what express person criticize emasda. Uni o'rniga what replaced Eisner as a CEO, ya'ni uni как CEO qo'ygan buni. He won't take in charge. I quickly carried out a bold move. Ya'ni qadam tashlagan negotiating buyout of Pixar Animation Studios'larni keyin ko'rayotgan bo'lsa-da, уже bold move bo'lyapti. И что Pixar anaqasi animation studiolarini sotib olgan. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsa, bu yerda not given qilolmaymiz. Nimaga not given qilolmaymiz? Chunki hamma bor. Robert Iger haqida bor, ya'ni Eisner haqida ham informatsiya bor. Keyin true bo'lmaydi, chunki bu yerda как negative anaqa bo'lmayapti. Ya'ni bu yerda positive, ya'ni birinchidan replace anaqa qilyapti, CEO qilib beryapti. Bu yerda ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, как quickly carried out a bold move bo'lyapti. Shu hisobda kritika haqida, shu hisobga javobni просто false bo'lib ketadi. Next, Pixar Inc. achieved very little financial success. Ya'ni ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, juda ham kam pribul ko'rgan, foyda ko'rgan during its early years, ya'ni boshida ochilganda unaqa foyda ko'rmagan. Juda ham kam foyda ko'rgan. Pixar started live 20 years earlier as mana 20 yil oldin, ya'ni bu mana shu joy kerak bizga. Endi boshlangan paytlari company was dotting the launch of the San Francisco Bay Area in California. Within the company, China Animation Group made short promotional films that brought in particular no revenue. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, mana bu yerda уже soqqasi haqida ketyapti. The group came close to the ones to be being shut down. Da javoblik ichiga emasligini qo'ygan, boshqa narsa. Endi qaranglar, bu yerda aytib что group made short promotional films that brought in particular no revenue deyapti. Endi bu yerda aytib что very little financial success deyapti. Juda ham kam finansiy nima bo'lgan success anaqa qilgan deyapti. Bu yerda false not given bo'lmaydi, samasa bu, ya'ni boshda yillar bor, pixel haqida informatsiya bor, anaqasi haqida ham informatsiya bor, ya'ni revenuesi qancha soqqa qilganligi bor. Endi bu yerda false bo'lmaydi, very little financial success degani, например, aytaylik, хотя бы aytaylik $2 topgan bo'lsa ham yoki $3 topgan bo'lsa ham, $4 topgan, mana shunaqa narsa deyapti. A bu yoqda no revenue degani bu nima degani? Umuman $0 topgan, ya'ni $1 ham topolmagan degani. Deb turib ko'pchilik adashib narsani nima qiladi? False tanlayveradi, lekin bu javob false emas, true bo'ladi. Nimaga? Sal boshlig'ida bittadan so'zga ahamiyat bersanglar, ham nima deyapti? Почти unaqa dohod qilmagan deyapti. Почти dohod qilmagan degani bu nima degani? Siz nimada kam dohod qilgan degan ma'noni bildiradi. Mana shunaqa nimasiga bittadan so'zlariga ahamiyat berishingiz kerak bo'ladi. Ko'pchilik tez o'qiganda yoki anaqa qilganda e'tibor bermasdan o'tib ketadi. Bu ham muhim faktorlardan bittasi hisoblanadi. Hop, keyingisi the production of Toy Story encountered significant problems. Yani production of Toy Story, yani Toy Story'ni production, yani unaqasi nima qilyapti? Brought significant problems yoki ko'zi sabab bo'lgan yoki olib kelgan nimani muhim katta anaqalarni muammolarni deyapti. Так, bu yoqdan topamiz shu narsani. The production of Toy Story, computer fruit, blah blah blah, Pixar, shutdown Pixar, Toy Story haqida bitta informatsiya bor ekan. Disney considered ordering Pixar to shut down production of when the shut down production and to'xtatib qo'yish Toy Story because of the problems with the script. Yes. bu yerda ko'rayotgan bo'lsa production also encounter significant problem, ya'ni muammolar kelgan. Bu yerda aytyapti что Disney to'xtatib qo'yish aytgan Toy Story nimaga, chunki u nimalar qilgan, ya'ni nima muammo sababli, skript bilan bo'lgan muammo sababli deyapti. Bu yerda ham xuddi shu narsa beryapti ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, ya'ni problems is what related to script, so that's why it's gonna be true. Next. In the early 1990s, Hollywood commentators believed that, ya'ni Hollywood kommentatorlari o'ylaganki, что fikr bildiryapti bu yerda computer animated films would be successful, ya'ni что anaqa bo'lib ketadi, ular mashhur bo'lib ketadi deb o'ylashgan, deyapti, ya'ni predict qilishgan, taxmin qilishgan. И at that time, Hollywood commentators dubbed it. Dub degani bu уже bu believe it emas, ya'ni bu yerda как nima qilish, shubha qilish. Ya'ni believe it bu yerda как shu no 80% 90% holatda shunaqa bo'ladi degani bu yerda, lekin unaqa ikkilanmasdan bo'lishi mumkin, bo'lmasligi ham mumkin. Whether audience would even sit through a long technology that but it wasn't clear deyapti. Bu yerda ham okay, yes, o'sha hisobiga bu yerda shundan olib ketadi, false bo'lib ketadi. Next, Finding Nemo was more successful than ko'rayotgan Finding Nemo. Bu it's a like name of cartoon, ya'ni multfilm nomi. Bundan bo'lgan successfulroq bo'lgan, chem nimadan ko'ra Toy Storydan ko'ra, ya'ni bu yerda compare bo'lyapti ikkita multfilm. И вам bitta Toy Story bor ekan, yana bitta Finding Nemo ham bor ekan. Okay, succession of the critically acclaimed and commercial successful animated feature films, beginning with the release of, ya'ni уже ularni mashhurligi boshlanib ketgan nima bilan? Toy Story'ni 1995-yilda anaqa chiqqani, and followed by undan keyin nima bo'lyapti? A Bug's Life bo'lyapti, undan keyin nima bo'lyapti? Finding Nemo bo'lyapti. Mana shu uchta filmlar made Pixar the world's leading animation studio. Mana shu uchtasi yordam bergan, что Pixar the world's leading animation studio qilib berishga. Endi bu yerda ko'rayotgan bo'lsa hamma informatsiyalar bor, lekin bizga kerakli joyi nima yo'q? Comparison yo'q. Ya'ni bu yerda qaysi biri mashhurroq, qaysi biri ko'proq yordam bergan, qaysi biri ko'proq soqolib kelgan, hech qanaqa informatsiya. So that's why yes, answer is gonna be not given. Next, Pixar made only a small contribution to Disney's film income in 2004. Ya'ni 2004-yilda Pixar nima qilgan? Disneyga anaqasiga, profitiga juda ham kam hissa qo'shgan, deyapti. Disney earned enormous profit from distributing the films when the Pixar's majority owner and CEO Steve Jobs cut off the contract talks with the Disney in early 2004. Okay. The business press focused on the business press focused on how Disney would go. By that time, Pixar films accounted for approximately 45% of the okay. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsangiz, shu paytda Pixar filmlar nima qilyapti? Ya'ni tashkil qilgan 45%, taxminan 45% nimani? Income, Disney income'ini 45%. Bu yerda aytyapti, что Disney income'ida juda ham kam miqdorda o'tdi. Juda ham kam bo'lishi mumkin, 5% bo'lishi mumkin, eng ko'pi bilan 10% bo'lishi mumkin. Lekin bu yerda ya'ni almost half, ya'ni почти yarmi bo'lyapti. Shu hisobiga javob false bo'lib ketadi. Okay. Next keyingisi John Lasseter haqida ketayotgan bittan boshlar ekan. Okay. Enjoyed watching Bugs Bunny cartoons as a child. Bolaligidan yoqtirgan deyapti ko'rishi. Just let's assume love. Okay, work it as a right, ya'ni ana qilish, boshqarish at Disneyland, which increases his something in. Okay, theme parks, what? Worldwide help to create new gem film Pixar list rented. Disney this one have on career. Okay. No, but what was all yeah, invented Leicester shareholder meeting was great and flows a comment about social music, explore childhood love. About the childhood love of Bugs Bunny. The childhood love of Bugs Bunny. Yani bu yerda yoqtirardi Bugs Bunny'ni. Yozuvchilardan Mamitdan boshlanayotgan ekan. And describe it working as a ride operator. Bu yerda work it as sonliga просто operator bo'lib ketadi bu yerda. And which increases his ride operator on this jungle where telling jokes help them gain. Telling jokesda yordam bergan gain qilish, increase nimasini? Confidence'ini in public speakingda. Просто ketadi confidence. Mana ishdan topdi javobni. Studied at the California Institute of Arts, ya'ni California Institute of Artslar mamlakatda bor. Okay. Keyin nima qildi? Experience something when Disney rejected new technology. New technology aniq qilganda, reject qilganda nimadir qabul qilmagan, ya'ni ignore qilganda, ma'qullamagan nimadir his qilgan. What is feeling? Recall studying the California art and the frustration felt when Disney initially rejected computer animation technology. Mana bu yerda bor. Qanaqa bu yerda felt feeling talking narsa, narsa ketadi frustration. Okay, next it was a Pixars. Umiddan boshlanadi. Tak. Pixars nimadir bo'lgan deyapti at the 2006 shareholders meetingida. And then 61 years old and the president of Pixar. Yes, old and president of Pixar. Then what to Pixar kim bo'ldi? Prezidenti bo'ldi. And preferred something to dominating conservation. Seated among the shareholders. Shareholders, maybe the shareholders meeting. Virgin Company Research had moved unexpectedly into business leadership. Okay. He was widely regarded as brilliant, yet known for listening rather than dominating conservations. Okay, but the dominating what and preferred. Nimani prefer qilayotgansizlar? Eshitishi, ya'ni listening, yeah, rather than to over degani dominating conservations. Okay. Next, remained committed to his something for computer animated films, and when he speak, his manner was constant, friendly, and cautious. Okay. Also, commendable on the work of others. The revolution in 3D animation was largely his achievement. He maintained a long-term vision of fully computer. He maintained, remained committed to his long-term. He maintained long-term vision, no? Computer animated films and while leading computer graphic laboratory in New York City, blah 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 blah. Assemble the teams that formed the something of Pixar. Yani assemble the teams that formed the something of teams, laboratory, New York Institute of Technology, and the locals assembled the technical and the creative team, what teams that would later form the core of Pixar. The core of Pixar. Boom, boom. Mana this. Okey, tak, mana shunaqa qilib turib inshaalloh qilib chiqdik. SH1 ni. Mana shu yo'nalishda inshaalloh davom ettirishga harakat qilaman. Agar qanaqadir savol yoki taklifinglar bo'ladigan bo'lsa, bildirsanglar, bundan xursand bo'laman. Sog' salomat bo'linglar.